So I thought we were going to be spending all day at the girly friend's parents' house planning this here wedding and stuff. But apparently we're already done, even though I was just ripping. So I'm going to rip this last pack, and then I guess I get to head on out and check out the sweet footage. Heck yeah, man! Well, I don't know how amazing of footage, videos, whatever I'm going to make today with this crazy wind, but at least we can get some practice in. So, second day with ButterFlight 3.4, and I am really excited. As great as it flew yesterday in the wind, it should be just as awesome today. So, here we go.
This fire in my head got me on edge. I'm going out today. Faded on the thread, don't know what's next. I wanna feel alive. I kissed a stranger in a white dress. She put a crown on top of my head. Said every king needs a queen in his bed. I said, hey girl, I'd like to stay here for a while, just you and I. Far from the places we can't get away from. She said, hey boy, I like your style. I'll let you play me for a while. Play me till the sun rises. Play me like a violin. Here with you now, not coming down. Leave my insanity up here in the clouds. Look what we found, oxygen we can breathe. Let the madness slowly undress. Rip the mask off over our heads. We can dive down deeper instead. I said, hey girl, I'd like to stay here for a while, just you and I. Far from the places we can't get away from. She said, hey boy, I like your style. I'll let you play me for a while. Play me till the sun rises. Play me like a violin. Play me till the sun rises. Play me till your hands give in. Play me like a violin. Play me till the sun rises. Play me till you can't hide it. Play me like a violin. Play me till the sun rises. Play me till your hands give in. Play me like a violin. Play me till the sun rises. Play me till you can't hide it. Play me like a violin.
All right, let's try that again. Yeah, silly little monkey. rear end again. You done did smash right in that tree. Whoopsies. All right, how much power we got left? Not for any more little bits of screwing around here? Nope, not really. Oh, that's sad. Woo! That was hauling ass in them trees, dude. Back one helps, but man, I was going fast. Freaking fast, man. Woo!